guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I am participating in a very special DIY open invite, I encourage you to head on over to the hostess channel, Crafty Leanie, and check out her open invite video so you can understand why I think this is such a special DIY invite challenge. It is called Breast Cancer Awareness 2020, and it is in honor of Leanie's sister Gloria, and today is her birthday. So we are creating this awareness collaboration to honor her. And I would also like to honor all the women out there who have battled breast cancer, who have battled really anything. There's so many things in our lives that we struggle with, whether it's illness, whether it's really anything. And I just want to say that it's important for us women to stick together. I don't have this one woman who inspired me or who has made a difference in my life. There are so many of you out there who have done that for me, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you who every morning give me the inspiration to move forward with your stories, with your encouragements, and I just want to say thank you. So for this open invite, Leanie has two co-hosts, and it is Indiana Jones and DIY Nadia. I will have everyone's channels linked in the description box, so make sure you go check them out, as well as the playlist for this challenge. They have asked us to create anything. It could be anything. It could have been a DIY, it could have been a decor piece, decorate tablescape, but to include pink. I have had these pumpkins that I used last year, and I made a topiary for outside, but the wind had its way with them, so they took it apart, and I didn't throw them out because I knew I was gonna find a reason to use them. So I thought I will create some glam pumpkins using different kinds of pink colors, and I'm going to try and incorporate them into my decor as a pop of color. So I have my white acrylic paint, and then I have my Tutti Frutti pink paint, and then I have my all-purpose the acrylic paint in deep red, and then I also have spun gold. And I'm going to create 3 different versions of pink by mixing different colors. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to add white to all of them. So I'm going to mix my first one. So I have 3 different types of pink. So I'm going to paint them now. I'm just hoping that I mixed enough paint. I wonder if I added a little bit of white over these letters and then went over them again with pink, whether they would be covered a little bit better. I'm gonna leave that to dry like that. I think that did a pretty good job of covering. that's one. Now I'm going to paint another one. I'm just going to start with the painting the letters white. I'm going to set it aside. Paint this one. I'm finding that tapping it right around those letters, it does cover them a little bit better. I'm sure there's some sort of a primer that you could use too. I really love this pink. There we go. And then this last one. I have a little bit of this color, so I'm just going to go and gently into the little creases with it. And then I'm just going to brush it with the other paintbrush that the main color was with. I think it just gave the pumpkins so much more dimension. And now I'm going to create a little stems for them. So I have this plant. It's called the tiger's eye in my garden, and it has like almost like a smooth velvety branches, but some of them had been broken off. So I had cut them up, but they're not wide enough for the openings that are in here. So what I'm doing is I cut another one, and I'm just going to make the bottom wider, and I'm going to hot glue just at the bottom, so that way it's wider, and I'm gonna add a touch of glue on it as well when I'm putting it into the hole, so it just sits nicer in there. I was going to paint branches, but these I think are working out really good just the way they are. So I would like to thank Leanie, Indiana Jones, and Nadia for hosting this challenge. And like I mentioned before, make sure you check out all of the ladies' channels and the playlist that will be linked down below. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming uploads. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching this very special collaboration with all these wonderful ladies. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.